Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous video we talked about in detail like how Hibernate understands this collection. In this video we will try to configure the collections. So by default when we executed our code it ends up with two tables, country and country states. This is fine because we know how to customize the table, we can override the features. But what about this auto generated table which has country states? Let's say I want to call this, let's understand. So what I want to do here, I want to rename this table name. Since it is all about states, so I just want to call this states TB. Okay, just want to configure it. Next, I just want to change this country ID. Well, this is fine. Just want to show you how you can even customize the fields. So I'll just call it CID this way. So these are the two things. Of course, country ID is much more readable, but I just want to show you how you can customize the column name and plus the table name. So let's do this and see how it works. Well, this is quite straightforward. Again, you have to use one more annotation, that is at join table. So this annotation will allow us to override the like table plus the primary key, which is going to be CID here. So in next video we will try to implement this through codes. Thanks for watching this video guys. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.